Everybody, what's up? Perfume Sample King here. I'm going to show you how to decant something into a travel spray if you have a couple lying around the house. Obviously, sometimes you'll end up keeping these, and then you'll have a full bottle of whatever you want. Okay, so first thing you're going to do, open this up. We're going to crack the atomizer all the way off. Usually I just try to break the neck of the entire bottle. Get a nice clean break if you can. Perfect. Little trick of the trade. You got this here. Now, what I like to do is cut this off, okay? And then I take a 10 milliliter syringe. I just put it right inside of there, fits perfect. We're gonna take this, we're gonna use our extraction tool. Fill that all the way up here. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. This came from the neck of the bottle. Take off our extraction tool. We're going to want to put on our injection tool, take off the cap of our travel spray, put it on, surround it, make sure it fits tight, and the first press you're going to want to make sure that there's some pressure. Okay? You heard a quick pop there. We're just going to want to make sure that you hold that pressure tight, and while you have your injector tool on, you'll feel the backfire and the pressure fighting against you. That's normal. Just continue to push down at a slow pace. If you do it too fast, it'll squirt out. If you do it too slow, it'll leak out the neck. This is an extra travel spray that I had from Bath & Body Works. And boom. Obviously too fast right there. But you get the idea. Okay, take the O-ring out, put the cap back on. Perfect car cologne for you. Thanks for watching. Click follow, subscribe, and like. Perfect.